Hey, it's me, Leah Curtis here. Today we're going to talk a bit about mental health. And this is with the Association for Mental Wellness. So we're going to talk about mental health and how important it is that we talk about it. That we have honest and open conversations with those around us. And to start off this little conversation where I talk and hopefully, you stick around and you listen to the whole thing. I'm just going to tell you a few facts and we're going to get straight into it. Suicide is the 8th leading cause of death in people ages 14 to 27. 1 in 6 people ages 14 to 27 is currently experiencing depression, which can lead to suicide. So all the students, young adults, this is you. This is your friends. And that's not to say that mental illness and mental health isn't a very serious and important health issue that we should also be talking about for people outside of this age group. Like half of all chronic lifetime mental illnesses are diagnosable by 14. And depression is way too common in the elderly population. But the 14 to 27 age group has the highest numbers of all mental illness. And those numbers are just getting higher. The safest and easiest and fastest way to change that is by talking about it. I know it can feel impossible, like you can't ask for help. Like if you do, it will make things worse, like you're a burden or you'll be judged. That if you ask your friend, your sibling, your coworker, your parent, about how they're feeling, it's not really going to help. But I promise you, the change will be good. It will be worth it. You are not a burden. There is someone who understands. There is someone who will help. If we are honest, if we approach those around us with love and a desire to understand and support in whatever capacity we can, you will have helped at least one person. Even if it's just yourself, it will be worth it. I know from experience that asking your friends how they're doing, having those conversations, is only going to help you and them. And it's going to bring you closer. It's so important to have open and honest conversations with the people we care about their and our own mental health. So let's talk. Let's talk about how we're feeling, how we're coping with life. 1 in 6 people, you guys, someone you care about could be having a really hard time. And you will never know unless you ask. The people around you will never know unless you tell them. So please ask your friends and loved ones about their health. Ask someone for help. If you listen to this whole thing, thank you. Again, this is with the Association for Mental Wellness. If you need or want more info, if you want more on this, then go to amw.letstalk.org.